Now to cook New Year's shrimp meal. At first, peel the shells. My easy way is like this. At first, peel the shells here, like this. And take off. That's it. Next, remove the back thing, like this. Oh, nothing. If there is like and remove it. Kind of simmer them. Add shrimp. Now this is water. That's stop. Cooking sake. Sweet sake. Sugar. Soy sauce. Finish. So, いただきます。In Japan, they say shrimp means a long life because the shrimp back is like not straight, so it's like all the people. That's why they say the shrimp means a long life. So at the New Year, we eat the shrimp because we hope a healthy year and a long life. So if you like it, let's cook it. Thank you for watching my channel. When you subscribe my channel, I become happy. Happy New Year! Thank you!